Well, hello there and welcome to another training video. In this nugget, I'll be showing you on how to create a real estate website on WordPress. Let's get started. Log in into your WordPress backend and on the left flyout menu, select Appearance, then Themes. In the theme search area, I'll select Add New. I'll then navigate to the search area and type in Real Estate to search. I'll find hundreds of themes that are related to real estate, which I can just click install and customize that to fit my taste. The other option is to navigate into the event market and search real estate to get hundreds, tons and tons of themes that you can purchase and install them into your WordPress distro. On this nugget, I will show you on the simplest method of just installing a free theme that is related to real estate. Looking through, I'll pick this very first theme called Real Estate Caliber, click Install. Once the installation is done, I'll click on Activate. But before I do that, this is how my front side of the website looks like. So I want to turn this into a real estate WordPress site. Back to my theme, I'll activate the new Real Estate Caliber theme. The site comes with its own pre-installed themes, so it will ask me to accept and begin the installation. Depending on the theme you choose, the approach of installation might be different, so take note of that. I'll activate all the plugins that are very essential for this theme and click Apply. Once the installation is complete, select all the plugins from the plugin section and select Activate. Now I can check how my site looks like by refreshing. This is the blog section. I'll check on a sample page. The theme is starting to take shape. I'll navigate to go to demo importer page, and I would want to import the demo data so that it simplifies the work I'll have to do to set up this theme. There are two main demos for this theme, and I'll select the main demo for this demonstration. So I'll select Import Demo option. Once the importation is done, go to Appearance, Customize, and from the homepage setting, select the homepage, pick a page that will be showing on the front side of things. You can also select a blog post page. You can go back to colors and select a color theme of your choice. For this sake, I'll pick blue. And if I navigate to my site and refresh, voila, my real estate theme has been set up. Now what I'll do is to navigate back into my WordPress backend and add all the customizations that I need in my theme. Well, that is how we set up WordPress for real estate. Well, don't forget to download your free copy of the WordPress Quick Guide for Businesses. The link is in the description below. And if you like this video, smash the like button and I'll see you in the next nugget.